This Better Homes and Gardens Real Estate Central Property video is presented by Nichole Koenig. 4-bed, 2.5 bath, and 2-car garage. Everything is new. Sitting on an acre, fully fenced with plenty of space and perfect for entertaining. Also includes large workshop that can be transformed into your perfect space. Updates include new siding, gutters and windows, new flooring, new kitchen, new bathrooms, fresh paint from top to bottom. 3 miles from the new Herbert Hoover High School. For more information, review the details below or contact Nichole Koenig at 304-776-7653.